Oh, this chicken is slap your mama tender, crispy. Okay, I have a beef. I have a serious beef. Now, I have the 360 air fryer, and of course, it's touted as wonderful. I considered it to be great. I have an issue. Now, this does a great job. It does a great job at baking and frying, but let me show you my new toy. This is a cheap toy. The air fryer ran $1.99. This, you may see it at Walmart. This is a frying basket that goes in your oven. This thing fries up chicken in the oven better than my air fryer. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to cook up some chicken. And I'm going to cook it at the same temperature I would in the air fryer. The air fryer, I run it at 400 degrees for about 30-35 minutes. We're going to do the exact same thing in this little $5 unit. And I'm going to show you some crispy, delicious chicken that can't be beat. Let's get started. I'm keeping this simple. Just a little bit of seasoning. Right now I'm just using a little bit of Lawry's. We're going to season up the chicken. And of course, a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to dredge this in a little bit of salt. a little bit of flour. And then we're going to get started. Right now I have the oven heating at 400 degrees. All right, so I have the chicken and my pan one shelf apart. So they're sort of close together, so if anything drip, it doesn't drip all over my oven. I have it about in the middle. It's on 400 degrees, and I don't have to turn it. And I'm looking for great results. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, and let's see what it comes out to be. Okay, so 30 minutes later, and of course we have to take this out. Now, I got the pan first. And of course, because there's still a little bit of oil drippage. That's the only downside of cooking it in the oven. But, now hear that, that's crispy. Unlike chicken that you get out the air fryer, it never get quite crispy enough. You hear that? This is just as crispy as it was, as if it was being fried. This is the only oil that I got from this. Awesome. And this is how we do delicious oven bake / air fry chicken. So dump your air fryer and try your oven for a while. Oh, this chicken is slap your mama tender, crispy.